Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting with what you need: the right cable and possibly an adapter. First, identify your Chromebook's port type, RJ45 or USB-C. Once done, plug the adapter into the USB-C port if the RJ45 jack isn't present. Make sure the cable is uncoiled and not kinked so signals pass cleanly. You should power on and unlock the device now. This lets you watch network indicators in real time as you connect. Do this before moving on to configuring network settings. You'll now establish the physical connection. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the router or wall jack. You should hear or feel a click. Next, insert the other end into the Chromebook's Ethernet port or into the USB-C adapter attached to the Chromebook. Make sure connectors are seated firmly. Loose connections cause intermittent drops. Then check the adapter or router LEDs and the Chromebook network icon in the shelf area to confirm a link. If it shows connected, proceed to network verification steps. You need to verify the network assignment now. Open Settings, then Network to confirm the Ethernet connection and check that an IP address has been assigned. This explains why you can access the internet. Once confirmed, load a website or open Crash, Ctrl+Alt+T, and run a ping to verify latency. If you don't get online, try a simple troubleshooting step. Swap the cable, reboot the router, and reattach the adapter. If problems persist, test a different adapter to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.